So today we are playing Build-A-Boat, and my grandma's on my phone. And I'm on the computer, and totally know how to play this game. I'm just gonna. Yeah, so this game's about building a boat. It's really good. Really good game. Oh, you gotta build a boat and make it to the end where you'll get gold blocks. And forgot how sensitive this was. Well, I don't have any other blocks, so let me just use fabric. But yeah, I changed my name. So we're gonna go back to 1. And I also got the most rare thing on the uncommon chest, the chest. Get on.
Get on?
Yeah. I got. Oh. How would we get up there though? That little thing. I don't know. Oh well. Are you on?
Yes.
You're not. Okay, there you are. So far, we haven't taken a single hit of damage. Oh, I didn't go back. Oh! We took our first hit. We flipped over. I guess the thing, the tall thing. Ah! Maybe we can try and flip ourselves upright. Oh! Oh! Well, Grandma died. No. Getting balls at me. Launched at me. No, no. You're taking damage. I'm gonna just stop driving. Welcome to today's ball game. I don't think I like it. I don't like the ball game. No. Oh, please. No. No. No, I want to leave. No. My chair. All right, as long as my chair doesn't get broken, then we're fine. Well, I'm fine. Oh. Oh. No, no, no! Why did it make me jump off? No. What are those gonna do? Probably nothing. Oh, let me menu. Let me get a rare chest, so that should give me some good oh, balloons! I got balloons. I got balloon. Alright, so let's I know just what to do with balloons. Gonna fly with the power of balloons. Why is there a car seat? Because it's not driving a car, it's driving a... Oh well. What boat motor. There we go. No. Alright. Wait, I almost forgot a seat for Grandma. Grandma, get on. You on?
No.
Now this time I put a balloon, so we should fly, so.
Okay, I'm on.
Alright. We're flying. We're upside down. Why is that? Why are we upside down? We need more balloons.
Maybe at the rear.
We need more balloons. I'm taking damage.
Oh, you're going.
Oh wait, Grandma, you're on my account. Load something in, just anything. Except for the AFK farm.
How do you just load anything in when you're going? Oh, you just gotta...
Oh, and look at this. Somehow I got the phone to balance.
Oh.
Don't know how, but it's actually bouncing.
Are we gonna try this one again?
So, I built this bowling ball, not on this account, but on my phone. It's a bowling ball with spike blocks. I don't know how else to explain it. Okay, so... I'm struggling. I'm gonna get in first person. That's gonna help. I am not good at getting in this on computer, as you can tell. Yes! Yay. Alright, Grandma, I'll go help you.
Yeah. Because I won't fit through that doorway.
You just gotta go close. Alright, now you're in the bowling ball.
Okay.
Alright, so we are inside of the bowling ball. It's hollow. There we go. Alright, launch? Yes. What the? No. I forgot how confusing these controls were. Alright, so as you can tell, I am in the bowling ball. Grandma, why are you outside? Oh my gosh. Inside the bowling ball, it's kind of making me a little nauseous. Yeah, just close your eyes if, it's making you nauseous, because, oh my gosh. I know this game was meant to build a boat, but I do not care. I built a bowling ball. Not a boat, a bowling ball. This might be able to make it through to the end, but I don't know. It's just, it is made out of titanium, so very strong. And I put and there's 2 blocks in each block spot, so also it's a ball, so it should just plow through everything. Titanium is actually the heaviest block, so if you want to build something and you want it to be really heavy to crush stuff, use titanium. Because once you get enough, it's able to glitch people underneath the map, which is just absurd. What is happening here? Oh no, it's the stupid hammer level. I don't like this hammer level. It's very annoying. What the? Oh my gosh! This bowling ball is turning into a bouncy ball. Oh my gosh. I bet this would make it to the end. Why is it rolling? Stop. Stop rolling the opposite way. I need you to go this way. Grandma, why are you... On my screen, it appears you are not in the ball.
I know, I'm still there. I have red flags spinning around every now and then.
Well, yeah, that's me. But... oh no. Hopefully I get paid from this, because I'm just not getting enough. You can tell I only have 5 gold. That's not going to get me anything good. Grandma, why are you outside again? You fell out, didn't you? It's not a window, it's an entrance. See, a titanium ball is just really powerful. Grandma, why would you play? You're reading a book. Hmm. Taking some damage. I don't know about this. I mean... Oh, it's this stupid washing machine. Not actually, I just took it off that panel and fixed it. Yeah, it went back to 30. Oh my gosh. Well, okay, my chair has broken. I no longer have control of the ball. died. Oh, no. Treasure hunter. Got an achievement called Treasure Hunter. What is happening? What is that? What is that? Nah. Not alien. Bro, what is happening? What is happening there? Menu, what can I buy? More balloons. Perfect, because then I can fly. For only 45 gold I can fly. That seems wrong. But okay. Unload one. So this one didn't quite work. But yeah, there is going to be bloopers. Because it's a video without bloopers. Going to place these. Alright, it has to be centralized. There we go. Alright, get on, Grandma.
Okay.
You ready to fly?
Well, we'll see how long I can last.
Well, we're gonna fly, so. Oh, once the balloons pop, then, or the balloons break.
Okay.
Lunch. Wow, that's loud. Please work. Oh. Stop it. Same. Everyone watching, close your eyes. Oh, seizure warning. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just tapping it's bad. Ooh. Hey.
We kind of straightened out.
No, we can spy on these people. Look, see?
No, you're probably cutting down now.
Yeah. Let's just keep watching. See what they're building. Oh, they're deleting all their they're deleting all the wood. What? Probably because wood is weak. Wood is when it's wood, it's weak.
Oh, there's one over here too. It's gonna fly. Oh, who's that below us? It was a balloon. Grandma, look. It works. Let's see. Let's see. Now it's a point. There's 17. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. We're way up there. 10. We're not going anywhere. 7. Are we still making the video over there on my phone? 4. We're not doing anything. 3. 1. 0. You can't move? Can't return on the motors?
As you can see, we are still spying, but let's just stop, so. Oh, it's kind of shaky. Oh! No. I fell.
Me alone.
Just jump.
Jump.
Yes. Oh, no. We died on purpose.
No, I landed on my feet.
You have to reset so the music stops.
Oh, okay. I appear to be fine now. I landed over here on the next one, Gabby and what's her name's place.
What's their name?
I don't know.
Honestly, I don't know what else to do. Grandma.
What did I say? I said to reset. Oh, I was watching them build. How many paper towels did you need?
I thought I only needed one.
But they're okay.
No, I thought I needed that many. Alright,
Do you want macaroni and cheese for lunch?
Will I twitch you?
Is that a yes?
I'm not doing that. It's twitching.
Oh. Did you want macaroni and cheese for lunch? It's the kind you like.
Shells and cheese.
Yes. Do you want some or not?
Yeah. Make sure it's shells and cheese.
It is. It's the kind you like. Mama.
Alright, so now I've loaded in something else. It's not finished. It's not finished. Don't worry, it doesn't actually look like that. It's just not finished. It takes years to finish loading. Oh no! Oh, still not finished. It's big. Is it done loading, Grandma?
Yeah.
All right, so I made this. I made this. The night stuff. King stuff. Didn't want to do that. Hello. Let me in. Let me in. Oh wait, I can just jump up. This is guillotine. Because people are being bad. And this is the training area. There's targets and then there's this so you can like shoot through at people. And there's cannons. Boom. Boom. And then to open it. Yeah. Oh, what the? No. What's that doing? No. Stop that. Alright, just that. Oh. Do that. It's still not opening. Hello. Should be opening. Something's broken. I'll fix that later. If that happens, I just do that. And this is, look on the inside. We got swords and guns. There's a market over here. So this is the weapons stand, the food stand, there's cake. And the block stand, those are blocks. And I don't remember what I was going to make this one, but I'll figure out later. But yeah, I have spent like a year making this. And I also made a cool elevator. You can just shoot and then drop down. I can't get it. Stop. No. Bow. This, which turns on a whole bunch of lights, and over there, that wall right there, made out of gold. And I painted it to look kind of like stone, sort of. And then there's cannons. Can, just kind of shoot them. All right, Grandma, you can lunch now. Yeah. We have full control. Oh, we might get stuck, though. Well, yeah. I just fired a cannon at some people. Oh. Boom. Fire. Yes, this is the best castle. Now I've made it to the end. Why'd the cannonball go that way? I don't know. Why is it doing that? Hello, game. Guess if you fire... There, that one's working. So why can't the others work? Well, I forgot to show you this. This is a little area. Open it, and there's all me gold. So, yeah. Yeah, I made most of this when I didn't have the scale tool on my alt account. So yeah. Oh my gosh, don't say it. There. Boom! We're the strongest knights of the seas. That sounds so wrong. Why does it do this? Stop. We fire it there. Boom. All right, now these ones want to work. No. And by the way, those people that said how that mask was bought, it was not. I hand sewed it with some help from my grandma, but I mean, it's a lot to do. And I do a lot of sewing, so that sounds that sounds kind of funny. Oh, I'm gonna shoot. The only thing I hate about this level is if something is too tall, the top gets destroyed because of the spikes. And actually, let's see if you can kind of break them. No? Ooh, I don't know that. I don't feel happy about that. Boom! And my grandma's making me some shells and cheese. Shells and cheese. It's basically macaroni and cheese, but instead of macaroni, it's shells. Hey, Grandma, you died.
Oh, no.
Yeah, big bummer. Big bummerooski. Baby rock, baby rock. Learn. Where's the lemon sauce? None. Anything. Oh. Stop. No, 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 no. Those can't. Are ineffective now. Oh my gosh. The map destruction. My castle. No. No. So much stuff is breaking. Why? Why? Puta. no. I fell out of the castle. Well, that ain't good. Oh, I'm dead. I fell out of the castle. No. Maybe I can make it back to the castle. Ooh. Oh, I made it. And yes, I did make Sprunky. that was back then when it was popular. Yeah. Huge shout out to Socks for One and Vitamins Delicious for giving me the idea to build a castle. I'm gonna go grab a snack.
Oh, but don't eat too much because I'm cooking. It's just a piece. I'm gonna eat it.
The final challenge. Will I make it? Oh! I made it! We did it. We may be upside down, but oh, so look at that. Yep. That's just wait. Two the same level at once? I'd never seen that. Yay! I got more X marks a spot chest. What's that gonna do? It's gonna all of a sudden make me win 1,000 times now. What is even the point of the winning the chest? I don't get it. I'm gonna go load something in on my alt account, so. Alright, so this is when I built the game Raise a Floppa. It's really awesome. I even added the little Floppa gun. Look at that, and then you can shoot. And then this is not in the actual game. Neither is all that, but I don't care. But this is Floppa's shack. There he is. But yeah, why can't Raise a Floppa be popular anymore? Like, bring it back. Bring those days back, please. I beg you guys to bring back Raise a Floppa. It was so fun. But now it's just gone. Just please bring Raise a Floppa back, because stop. Here you can pray to Floppa God. Then he'll activate a force field protecting your Floppa. Which I thought that was a nice touch. You can and there's also Bingus, Floppa himself, Mrs. Floppa, and the homie Swag, I think that's his name. I don't remember exactly, but yeah. But yeah, just bring back Raise a Floppa. Like, it brings so many memories. I put the pizza, the hamburger, the 2 sodas, the donate thing. I also put a TV, and that's some Sprite. Then there's a bouncy ball and Sprite thing. Yeah, so, scratching post, food bowl, litter box, bed, very bright. And here you can just activate the machine guns. This is yarn ball. But yeah, we got the Floppa gunner. We got that little UFO. And yeah, just bring back Raise a Floppa. Like, it's not that hard. Please. Oh my gosh, this video's gone for 50 minutes. Dang. But if you are still here at this part, then bring back Reza Floppa. It brought so many memories. It was like, go to every like comment section. If you're a very popular YouTuber, make a video about bringing back Reza Floppa and all that stuff. All right, that's the end of the video. Bye.